Hello everyone. Throughout my career, I've discovered that a check sheet serves as a common tool for quality control. However, it's not easy to design and utilize it effectively. For that reason, in this video, I am to share 5 essential tips for using this tool in quality control. Firstly, what is a check sheet? I believe you should have seen such a sheet on the screen at least once. It is an example of using a check sheet to check public toilet hygiene, particularly the sheet displayed for toilets in train stations platforms. A check sheet is a simple data collection tool for quality inspection and improvement. It is a form with predefined categories for users to inspect a process and mark occurrences of the issues. In order to design and use a check sheet efficiently, my first tip is defining clear objectives. We need to clarify the purpose of the check sheet, such as checking defects in a manufacturing process or logging complaints in customer service. Tip 2. Choose data categories that directly relate to aspects you want to monitor. These categories should provide meaningful insights into the quality of the process, of course. For example, a simple checklist for a restaurant quality control check sheet might include categories like kitchen hygiene, food temperature, and service speed. Tip 3. Keep the check sheet simple with user-friendly design to ensure recording data without confusion. Ensure symbols are easy to understand and consistent. For instance, use a tick or check mark to indicate that a certain condition or task has been completed or satisfied. Use an X for defects or failures. For a check sheet that tracks quantities or defects by type, we should use single tally mark. Each stroke represents one count. After every 4 strokes, a line or slash is drawn across them to represent 5 counts. And certainly, we need to provide training to staff on how to use the check sheets and symbols. Tip 4. Specify data collection point by clarifying where and when frequent checks occur. For example, in a restaurant setting, kitchen hygiene must undergo inspection after each shift. Employee hygiene should be assessed daily at the start of each shift. And the dining area requires daily inspection both before opening and after closing. Tip 5. Establish a schedule for regular reviews to evaluate the check sheet's effectiveness. We need to make updates based on evolving processes, feedback, or changing quality control requirements. For instance, in the context of restaurants, it's important to review check sheets for different locations to ensure they align with local customer preferences or standards necessary for achieving distinctions such as Michelin stars or adapting to seasonal menus like those for Christmas. By combining the 5 tips provided, you will create a dynamic and adaptable check sheet that not only captures relevant data, but also evolves with the changing needs of your quality control process. The data from the check sheets can be input into other quality control tools, such as histograms, Pareto analysis, and fishbone diagrams. Please visit my other videos for those tools for continuous improvement in the description sections below. Thank you for watching.